Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I will just answer this important question that you can see behind me. Why do I find German difficult? It's a very common question. Most of you have this question in your mind. Why do you find German difficult? So I will answer you. I will try to motivate you through this video, and I hope after watching this video, you will get some sense, you will get some really reliable and reasonable reason why it happens to you. If you are not the same person, maybe you help others who are facing this problem. I have written few points. Reading daily. Are you the one who reads daily? Your classroom teaching is not enough. I always say having classroom or going to the class 1 hour or attending online, offline, regular class, it's not sufficient unless you do self-study. Are you reading daily a text as per your level? Does not matter. You are in A1, B1 or C1. You must read something in German. There are so many websites or there are so many short stories, movies with subtitles you must watch. If you haven't done this, start doing so that you don't have this question again in your mind. Why do I find German difficult? It's not difficult at all. It's not difficult at all. It's easier than English or any other foreign language. I'm telling you. But you need to read daily. You must read daily something. 10 lines, 20 lines, it's okay. You must read. Second reason, daily revision. Do you revise daily? Whatever you have done in the class, whether you visit a class or you just watch the videos, do you revise daily? Have you made your own notes? Whatever you have done in the class with the teacher, have you done revision on time? No. That's why these questions disturb your mind. I find German difficult. Definitely you will find it difficult because every day the syllabus, the material will be piled up and you will be under stress and you will say, oh, it's not my cup of tea. I'm not able to do this. And you quit. After few classes, 10 class, 15 classes, you give up the language. And then you see another person, don't learn German. It's difficult. We can't handle it. There is no career. Then every negativity comes into your mind and disturbs you a lot. So it's your fault. Fault lies in you. Nothing is impossible in life. It's a language. Not so difficult. Just you need to manage your time. You have to do proper planning. Regular practice. Same question again and again. Regular practice, revision, daily reading. That is very, very important. You must practice daily. Whatever you want, just practice. It should be in German. Doesn't matter, belong to your syllabus, does not matter. Must read something, must practice something so that you are in touch. Consistency is very, very important in learning a language. You must be consistent. Then definitely you will achieve the target. Without consistency, you break the chain. Negative people. There are many people around us. Some gives us positive vibes, some negative. You must be in touch with negative people. As I said, if one person is failed and he will definitely demotivate others. There are very less people who motivate others because they are themselves depressed. They have not got any success. So they are disturbed. Ziellos, we say in German, aimless. Negative persons. Don't do this. Why are you doing this? No career, no life. You are wasting money, wastage of time. What the hell you are doing? Carry on with your studies. Do academics, bachelor's, master's. It's professional course. It's definitely help you out and you never know when that it help you out. Education never go waste. Remember one thing. It will not only educate you, it will open the doors of your brain. It makes you sensible. It makes you courageous and take the decision. Education has very wide horizons. We cannot limit within the boundary of certificates, marks and all that grade system. It's beyond that. It's give you a lot of things that you will remember, that you will realize after a point of time. Just stay away from such negative people and just focus on your goal. No interaction. Sometimes we don't have interaction with any other person. We don't interact with our classmates. You must do that. You must have an interaction. It's difficult to learn alone. You must have a partner. One partner is sufficient. 1 and 1, 11. If you have one partner, that is sufficient. Interact with the partner. Say anything. Just take out 15 minutes and have a video call, audio call. Speak German. Take out your time. It's very, very important. You must learn something. These are some tips that I am going to give you, to share with you. These are the ideas. I hope you agree with me, and some of you definitely disagree with me. It's your choice, but my job, my task is to motivate you, to encourage you, to help you in achieving the target, in goal, like many others. Thousands of people have achieved their goal. Thousands of people are in Germany and fulfilling their goals, whether study in Germany or work in Germany. You can be one of them. You can study here. You can find a job here after learning German. It's your choice, but hard work is your priority. Preconceived thought. Somebody has told you, I did not get any job. I wasted my 2 years, 3 years in learning German. Why are you learning? Don't do this. Find some other way out. These are the people that disturb you, and that's why this question comes into your mind. What will I do after learning German? Is there any career? He was saying something like that. It will revolve around your mind, because he said something. We catch negative thoughts very easily. Negative vibes attract us very easily, and positive vibes takes time. It's human tendency, it's human nature. We attract towards the negativity very quickly and faster than positivity. So this might be the reason. Preconceived thought. We say preconceived notion. You did not meet any successful person. You did not see any successful person in your life. Watch the videos. You have mobile phone. Just scroll down and find out the videos of successful people who have achieved so much things after doing the same. You can be one of them. Nothing is difficult in life. Just you have to set the goal and move ahead. That's the one thing. And stay positive and be positive. And last but very important question. Is your target clear? Have you decided what you want to do after learning German? Or just you are learning because your friend has learned? Your friend is learning, so you are also learning. This will not work out. You must have some goal, target in your mind. If you have a particular goal, you will definitely chase the goal with the full energy and passion, like many others. But if you are just imitating your friends, you are copying the friend who is learning the same language. He has the goal, she has the goal. She has a fixed target in the mind where she has to reach, but you are aimless. You will not get success. You will be disturbed often by this question. Why do I find German difficult? Because always negativity comes into your mind and it disturbs you. It will not let you carry on with the language. So I hope that after watching this video you will get some good idea, and definitely you will be full of motivation and energy. This is the goal. This is my motive behind this video. Thanks for watching. Do share your feedback below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.